Hi everyone. I'm sorry, I didn't realize I wasn't recording here. So I'll just explain what I did here in the first one. I mixed up some Resin Appitate Blue pigment paste. That's this right here. I put it into there, and then I took some silver foil flakes and I just kind of put them in the middle, and then I put a little bit of clear on top. So that's what my first one is. And now I'm working on the next three. I saw something on Facebook, and I thought, oh my gosh, I think I can do that. So I am trying to do what she did. I think the lady's name is Karen, and I think her company is MK Creations. But I'll have to put the link down below because I'm not positive on that. Okay, I just want to give it a little hit of my torch here to get out some of those bubbles on top. And my other project that's sitting beside me is some alcohol inks that I did last night, and I just topped them off with some clear on top. So that's what's going on there. So I have put some 1 drop of the Armour Art. This is the new Easy Flow bottle, much nicer than the other bottles. And I put 1 drop of that, like a good drop of that, and I put 3 drops of the Pinata alcohol ink, white. Okay, and so I put that into my piping bag, and I'm just going, oh, I know what I forgot to do. I wanted to put something in the centers. Okay, so, sorry, I didn't have that quite prepared yet. Okay, I got these, I believe I got them off Wish, but it could have been Amazon. And they came in a whole bunch of different colors, like this is the golds, and I got some blues, and anyways, it's just kind of a mix. Let's go for that one. All right, and normally I would mix this up, but I think I'm just gonna drop them in today. We'll see. I'll try the first one. If I make a mess, then I'll mix it up with some resin to do the next ones. Okay. Oh, yep, see? I can make a mess just like anybody can. Okay, so put some in there. Way too much in here. Okay, I'm just kind of scooping it up, putting it into the other one. I don't think I'm gonna need any more. Right. Okay. Okay, I like this one the best right now. This one, there's not much I can do about it, and I'm just trying to push it together a little bit more. But I'm okay with it because I'm gonna do a top coat with some glitter on it. So overall it should be fine. Just a tiny bit more in this one here. There we go. Okay, so these two, they kind of sunk down, which I like. That one, whatever. It is what it is, right? Okay, so now I'm going to cut a small hole in my bag. I don't want it as big as I would normally do my flowers. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's good. Well, maybe a little tiny bit bigger than that. Okay. Okay, all right, here we go. I'm just gonna, I'll probably do something different in each one, and I'm trying not to be too precise here. this is so tiny. It's so different than the other ones. Okay, there's that one. Okay, on to the next one. Let's try doing circles for this one. All right. Okay, and try and do more of a petal on this one. So hard because it's so tiny. Okay. There we go. Cool. All right. Now, I do have some more. Actually, I'm just going to use this up. I wasn't going to because I was going to do something else with these two, but I'll just use it up. I got too much in that one though. Okay. Trying to leave some room for the glitter that's going to go on with my next layer. All right, let me scoop a little of that. Okay, and for this one here, I'm going to pull some lines through. I'm just going to use my dotting tool. Okay, so I'm going to go in. Okay. It's been a while since I've done this. I almost forgot what I was doing. Okay, this is better. Here we go. And I can see it's starting to bloom already, so I'm happy about that. And then there's a couple blobbies in this one, so I'm just gonna kind of move it around a little bit. There. All right. I bet you this one turns out the nicest because it's always the one that you don't spend any time on, that you think, oh, that one's never gonna work. And sure enough, it will. You watch. Okay, so I'm just going to try to get some bubbles. Actually, I'll use my heat gun instead. Just put it on low. I'm just gonna give these some heat too. All right. Okay, I still see there's a bubble in this one here. Okay, I am gonna hit those with my torch. Still too many bubbles in there. Oh, come on. There we go. All right. Okay. You think I learned my lesson? Nah. Okay. Okay, that's good. go. All right. I got a good feeling about these ones. I do. Hopefully they'll turn out as nice as the ladies on Facebook. I asked her to do a video, but I decided to take a stab at it beforehand. So we'll see. All right. Here we go. Okay, just kind of winging it here. Oops, got too close. Okay, come on. Okay. That didn't start off too well. Just get it all squeezed down. There, this feels better. Okay, here we go. Okay, all right, and I'll just try and do some lines on this one. Okay, all right. So I will give that some heat as well. All right, so I will come back for the next step when I put the glitter on top. I'm here to do the next part of my pop socket molds. I've just mixed up some resin here, and I'm going to use these two packets here today. I got them from glitterthis.ca. So the first one is called a unicorn spit, and it's basically purples and silvers. And then the second one is called Ocean Treasures, and it's blues and golds, greens. Hopefully my camera's not shaking too much. It looks like it is. I'm going to try to stop it. Hopefully that helped. Okay, so, sorry, I thought I had some little cups here. I do have them here, I just didn't have them on the table yet. So there's one each. Extra for next time. Okay, popsicle sticks. I don't think I'm gonna need very much because I'm just doing these 5. Oh, my gloves are so big though, it's hard to work with them. Okay. All right. So let's try maybe 2. And I'll just leave it open here. And the other one, do both the same. Actually, I think I'll do 3 of them this color. So I'm putting a little bit more in this one. Okay. I'm also wondering, well, let me put my resin in first. The bubbles are still rising to the top here. Okay, here we go. Okay, next. And we've been watching a few videos lately, and I've noticed that people are also adding a little bit of color to their glitter in some of the videos I've seen. Especially Sandra Lett. She's been making these beautiful flower coasters and putting glitter on the bottom and then doing her hand-painted flowers on top. So I think I might try that. I'm just gonna add like 1 drop. This is Pinata Alcohol Ink Baja Blue. So I'm just gonna put 1 drop in there. There we go. And I'm gonna attempt to look for my purple. I didn't have it just handy like that, but I think it's right here. Yes. Oh, that's pink. Here it is. And it is called the Purple Passion. And it is another Pinata ink. There it is. And put 1 drop of this in. There we go. All right. I think I used up, yeah, my baby wipes are empty in that one. I have another one here. I got ink, purple ink on me. Oh, yeah, it's dry. I need alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol here as well. So there we go. I just don't want to get purple all over everything. That's much better. Okay. I don't think I stirred it. No, I did not. Okay. All right. So, here we go. Didn't look like much when I mixed it up, but now it looks like I've got way more than I need. Okay. This one is actually quite thick too. Okay. Add a little bit more resin to this one. There we go. All right. Okay. I have a habit of putting too much in, so I'm going to use my heat gun here. Get out some of the bubbles, and also this will help to spread it. Whoa. Okay. I definitely need a little bit more in here. Okay. Use my stick here and make sure I get in all the little nooks and crannies with the geode edge. There, I think that one looks good. Okay. Okay. They're both at the top for sure. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the blue. Let me see the consistency. Yeah, it's good. It's thick, but it's good. Okay. All right. And I think I mentioned at the beginning of this video when I first started, I wasn't sure who did these to begin with. Well, I have since gone back and looked, and her name is Karen, and it's MG Creations. So thank you for inspiring me, Karen, and I hope that these turn out as lovely as yours did. I might have to mix up a tiny bit more. Just gonna see how these go here. All right. Oh, I know, I should put my heat on. This one actually looks like it has too much. There, actually, I think I'm going to be okay now, actually. I was just worried about that first one. This one seems like it might have too much, too. It's so hard to tell. Especially, I'm not used to this mold yet. I've only used it a few times, so let's see. No, I hope I'm not taking too much glitter out of there. Super excited to see how these are going to turn out. Okay. Okay, I am going to put my heat gun on this. Just see how it, just on low though. The first time I used it on high, I just had the 2 settings, and it was obviously too much. I'm going to hit these ones again too while I'm in here. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay. This one here didn't really turn out. It you could see the silver in it, but then after it cured, now you can't really see the silver in it. So I'm on the fence whether or not to. I guess I will dome it. But I don't think I'm keeping that one because that one was actually for someone, but I'm gonna have to try again because I'm not happy with this. It did not turn out how I wanted it to turn out. And I don't think that this will make any difference, but the tinfoil was sticking out of the top a tiny bit. Or the silver flakes. So I will dome it just so that it's not poking out of the top, but like I said, I don't think this is a keeper. I'm gonna have to play with that one a bit. I think it might be hard to get navy blue with the tinfoil, but I'm gonna keep working on it. I might as well hit this one too while I'm in here. Alright. And the last thing I'm going to do is just give them a spritz with my isopropyl 99% alcohol. And this will also help get rid of bubbles. See, I thought it looked pretty good, but now after spraying this, I can see bubbles popping, so I really like using this stuff. But my words of wisdom to you would be, do not have a drink on the table if you're using this stuff. Because I did once, and I went to take a drink out of my drink, and all I could taste was the alcohol. I guess it got on the edge of my cup. So yeah, not a good idea to have your drink if you're spraying this. All right, so I will come back tomorrow and do the final reveal on those. Hi everyone. I'm back to do the reveal on my pop sockets. So this one originally I was trying to do for a customer, but I'm not happy with the end result because you can't see the tin foil very well. It's just a little bit too dark. She wanted a navy blue, but yeah, I'm gonna have to play again with that. So this is the back side. You know, this would be where you would put your plastic pop socket on, so you wouldn't see that. But yeah, I'm not super happy with that one. But let's continue on and see how my flowers turned out. Pretty excited about these ones. So I have no idea what they look like on the other side. So this is the back side. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. I love it. Okay, make sure that you're in. There we go. Wow, I love it. Okay, that's the first one. The flowers I did a little bit different with each one, so let's see. Oh, wow. I'm loving these. Sorry, the glare from the light there. I think that's better. Wow. Okay. Now for the other colors. All right, this is the one I dragged. So yeah, I like that, but I like the other ones better. So that's still turned out nice. Let's see how this one turned out. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. I'm trying to block the light here so you can see it better. I love it. Okay, and the last one. Wow, so happy with how these turned out. Wow. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing and hitting like. Thanks for watching.